tahasang kasinungalingan at walang basehang mga akusasyon sa akin ni Bryce Hernandez. Hindi ako papayag na makaladkad ang aking pangalan sa mga pahayag na katang-isip at gawa-gawang salaysay. I have participated diligently and consistently in the Senate investigation because, like everyone, I want the truth to come out and weed out corruption in the government. And I am confident that I have not committed any illegal act if Mr. Hernandez truly stands by his allegations. I challenge him right now to take a lie detector test with me. Let us settle this once and for all and show the public who is telling the truth. Yun lang.
Sir, hindi nakita niyo intention, ba't kayo nakusa na gano'n ni Hernandez?
I really do not know what his evil intentions are. Siguro he wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt at pinakulong sa Senado.
Sir, it's not true na nagpa-allocate kayo ng about 335 million?
Yung sa 330, kano raw? 335 million, lahat siya nasa GAA. Everybody can choose any item from the GAA at ibintang kahit kanino senador.
So wala kayong ganung pina-allocate?
Isang malaking kasinungalingan ng mga pinagsasabi niya patungkol sa pagbabako ng mga proyekto.
Sir, what do you make of it, yung paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi na hindi kasi? Parang alluding to kahapon sa nangyaring biruan yun.
Well, yung biruan lang ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin. Well, pero in the eyes of the public, parang it was uncalled for. That's why I resented his statement.
Ba't sa House kayo paulit-ulit sinasabi ni Bryce na hindi
Well, siguro kinuha lang niya yung kahapon yung pagbiro ni Senator Marcoleta.
Alam niyo sir, parang napamura kayo or what?
Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling nitong taon to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Will you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from that hearing, from this hearing. Malakas ang loob ko dahil I did not commit any illegal act.
Sir, claim niya dumaan kay, isang claim niya ay si District Engineer Alcantara ang nagsabi.
Si District Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dininay niya yung kay Senator Joel, dinay din niya yung sa akin. Oh.
Sir, kinukonektan makakalala daw kayo nung Maynila pa.
Sino? No. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
may picture kayo ni DPWH Engineer Alcantara, sir? Do you remember
Well,
that, sir, when it was taken?
I do not know. I cannot recall that event. Pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin. Hindi ko naman pwede tanggihan. Kung drug lord yan, gambling lord, malay ko naman kung drug lord yan o gambling lord, hindi ko naman matatanggihan kung sino nagpapapicture sa akin. Remember, we are all public figures here.
Sir, sasampahan niyo ba ng kaso?
Yes, sasampahan ko ng kaso yan.
Anong kaso?
Yes, I think so. I told my staff to check on it.
Sir, saan siya papunta? Yung
I really do not know kung anong intention nitong si Bryce Hernandez who cited him in contempt. Nakita mo naman, napakasinungaling ng tao na yun. I asked him kung siya yung Marvin D. Guzman, alias dun sa, ginagamit niya alias dun sa paglalaro sa casino. O di ng limpak-limpak na salapi dun sa DPWH kay Bryce Hernandez. Na humihingi sa akin ng mga project, lahat, baka not know what, as far as I'm concerned, the investigations that we are doing here in the Senate is in aid of legislation.
Pero magpa-participate pa kayo, sir, ngayong pinalitan na din yung Blue Ribbon.
Oh yes. Si Senator Lacson naman is a very straightforward person. He's incorruptible.
Sir, you will be part of the minority na po. May minority leader na po ba kayo pag-usapan?
Yes, si Senator Alan.
Napag-meeting na. So, wala kang intention lumipat sa majority, sir?
Not si Senator Alan. Yeah.
Sino deputy minority?
I think si Senator Marcoleta.
Ano po yung committee na ino-offer ko sa minority?
Oh, wala pang in-offer.
Sir, daw, Committee on National Defense, ibibigay na kay Senator Joel.
Hindi ko alam. Maybe. That's the, yan ang prerogative ng majority.
Wala kang hinihingi na Committee Chairman.
Wala ko. Siyempre, I've been with the minority since I entered the Senate in 2004. I was a member of the minority then. Si Senator Nene Pimentel pa ang aming minority floor leader. Siyempre, lahat yung mga leftovers ng majority.
Na lumantad din sa hearing. Sen, lumantad din po sa hearing ngayon sa House na may convo po si Vice Fernandez with a certain Beng Ramos.
Okay.
Yung convo po,
Okay? That's for sure. She's a staff of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Beng Ramos. Staff siya sa Blue Ribbon Committee. She was never my staff in my office. And I never authorized her at kahit sino man.
So, pwedeng ginamit lang.
You can check my records in the Senate. Since 2004, when I first entered the Senate, up to the present, wala akong Beng Ramos na empleyado. She's not close to me. Wait. Oh, I must admit, naging girlfriend siya ng isang staff ko. Tapos.
sir, sino yung BRT
Yes.
sa Blue Ribbon?
Oo. Gusto ko nga, i-recommend ako ng tanggalin siya rito eh.
O possible na siyang may transaction. Nakausap niya na siya doon.
No.
Wala kayong plano, sir, na kausapin siya?
Ba't ko siya kakausapin? She claims that she's my staff? Did she claim that she was my staff? Si Bryce. O, kita mo sinungaling ang hayop na yan. Saan ang proof niya na staff ko yung Beng Ramos? Nuno ng kasinungaling yung hayop na yan. I never met him. Si Henry Alcantara, according to him, he was the deputy engineer sa Manila under division chief, under division head during the time of my dad when he was mayor of Manila. At si Engineer Robert Bernardo, he was the city engineer of the city of Manila at that time. Of course, I'm confident. Napakasinungaling yan. Kita mo. Sa record ng Blue Ribbon Committee, may record si Senator Marcoleta yung mga losses niya sa casino.
Sir, dito sa mga nagiging development dito, ano nakikita niyo kahinatnan ng mga investigations ng House and Senate about anomalous flood control project?
Alelen?
Ano nakikita niyo kahinatnan? Did this...
Well, sana may makulong talaga. Ako, I really want to ferret out the truth. That's why I am diligently attending the Senate hearings in the Blue Ribbon Committee. Gusto ko talaga malaman ang buong katotohanan at sino talagang main culprit. Sino talagang... Maybe tomorrow kasi magpi-privilege speech si Senator Ping in San Joel. Maybe kasi dalawa-dalawa na. Maybe tomorrow.
Sir, nagkausap po kayo ni Senator Joel about this? Kasi medyo pareho kayong napangalanan ni Bryce.
Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
Okay.